This video is for my final assignment, COMP444. We have my robot that I built to be a flame or a fire bot. So we have two sensors. The first sensor is detect and avoid obstacles, which is the ultrasonic distance sensor that was included in the Spark Fun kit. I purchased also a flame sensor on the front. So this particular flame sensor has 5 IR sensors that are configured to detect the light of a flame. So I've wired those up to the Arduino controller. I've also added 2 lights and a buzzer. And those lights and the buzzer are to indicate when the robot comes into contact with a fire. The red light is a warning light for any humans that may be by, and the blue is to simulate that the robot could be running a pump or something that would automatically spray water. So next I will do a test of the system. So our first test of the fire bot will be our obstacle avoidance test. So I'm going to turn on the switch, and then I'll have my assistant pretend that he is an obstacle, and we can demonstrate that it will in fact move when it comes into contact with an obstacle. Okay. Another obstacle. Another obstacle. Awesome. So for our next experiment demonstration, we're going to show the operation of the robot when it comes in contact with a flame. So I've got my lighter to simulate a flame, and I'll turn on the robot. And it kind of drags a bit. The batteries are getting low on this floor. But it proceeds along until it comes in contact with a flame. It senses a flame, so it notifies that there's a flame. It then flashes the blue light, which simulates a pump or that the system will be putting out the fire. And as soon as I let this lighter off, it will detect that the flame is gone, and it will, I'll show you. So now that the lighter's off, it detects that the flame is gone. It flashes, this is the all clear light, and it's going to turn and then go away. I light a fire again, it sees the fire, it tries to put it out, flame goes away, it flashes the all clear, turns, and then it continues on. The battery's a little bit low, I think. Okay, we're going to do one more demonstration with a better set of batteries and a slight adjustment to the back, just to make it track a little bit better on this concrete floor. So it sees the fire right away. It's got quite a range. So it tries to put the fire out by simulating a pump. When the fire's out, it flashes both lights to simulate that it's been out, and then it turns and it goes the other way.